Apex file storage for AWS. Here I have a 6-node Apex file storage cluster. These nodes are analogous to the on-premises PowerScale storage. They both run the OneFS file system, and the Apex file storage for AWS is running OneFS. The on-prem PowerScale storage is also running OneFS. And as a result, it has the same user interface, web UI, that we all know and love. Also, the command line interface is the same between the on-premises PowerScale and Apex file storage for AWS. As you can see here. Now, I have 12 Windows clients connected. Each of those clients is playing multiple simultaneous streams of ProRes 422HQ, UHD resolution, 30 frames a second. Each of those streams of video is approximately 100 megabytes per second, and I have 96 streams running across this 6-node cluster, and with the prefetch and the rest that Premiere does, I'm getting over 10 gigabytes per second from the cluster. And I've got 12 instances of DaVinci Resolve. Each of these is playing back a DPX image sequence, so that's uncompressed, and it's 4K resolution at 24 frames a second. So each of those image sequences approximately 1.2 gigabytes per second, and I have 2 per node playing back. So the aggregate performance on this storage cluster is just over 14 gigabytes per second. Thank you.